Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro, and if you're looking for a great hand cleaner, you found it. So this is our hand cleaner nut scrub, the product code for which is RP-BNSRB-13. And this is a professional hand cleaner. It's about 13.53 fluid ounces, which is 400 milliliters, and it is awesome. It cleans and conditions dry and damaged hands, and it uses walnuts to do so. It exfoliates it and makes it really nice and smooth. It is really, really awesome for industrial soils, grease, oil, tar, ink, paint, and more. I know several people who use this in automotive shops, and it is awesome for that. So basically it's a concentrated water-based hand cleaner that, you know, it exfoliates, but it also liquefies and removes all of these stubborn, you know, dirty spots. Just make sure to rinse it with water, as it does include little fine bits of walnut shells. Also, if you have an allergy to walnuts, it might not be the best choice, but it is really terrific. So if you want to find out more, just click the link below, then like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.